So this is a little awkward, but I've realized the washers in the laundry machine have been like overloading. Hey, we've been having some troubles with the washing machines recently.
Yeah, they won't close.
We don't ever want to overload the washers with clothes or soap. Flooding is never fun. When the dryers aren't in use, close the door to help the laundry dry better. When it comes to washers though, we want to keep the door open, that way it has time to dry out. If a washing machine isn't working, you can submit a work order or tell the front desk. All of the laundry rooms have detailed instructions on how to get this done. We don't recommend leaving your laundry unattended, as Residence Life is not responsible for any lost, stolen, or damaged items. Plus, your laundry would be upset if you abandoned it. Don't forget to be respectful of your neighbors and take your clothes out in a timely manner. That way people can swap out their clothes. Please don't forget to clean out the lint traps to prevent fire hazards and to help things dry faster. I feel a lot better after going over these steps.
Me too.